In today's episode, we're going to be installing a set of JDM side marker lights on the Civic here. I picked these up off of eBay for around 15 bucks. They are an LED style side marker using just a positive and negative wire. Picked up an extra set of wire here, some positive and some negative, as well as the EK9 side marker template. Let's get into it. So when you're placing your tape down, you want to measure 140 millimeters this way to 155 millimeters this way. That measures out to around 5.5 inches by 6.1 inches, give or take. Being that right here is going to be your center mark for your pilot hole for the side marker. All right, so the template that I originally decided to use, the template was a little small. Once I got it right, I went ahead and just made my own template. So from this point, everything is in, everything is secure. Now we need to go into wiring.